In this video, I'll show you how to create a Messenger account without a Facebook profile. So in order to do this, you first need to make sure you have the Messenger application installed to your device. Then we're simply going to launch it up like so. And once you've opened the application, select Create New Account at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Get Started button at the top and then type in your first and surname. Click on Next, enter your date of birth to continue and press Next. Select your gender from the list and press Next. Enter your mobile number or alternatively press Sign Up with email address. Enter your email address that you're going to use for the account. Click on Next and then create a password for your Messenger account. Decide whether you want to save your login information for future sign-ins. I'm going to click on Save. Agree to the Facebook terms and policies. Enter the confirmation code sent to your email address and press Next. Decide whether you want to add a profile picture. For now, I'm going to select Skip. And there we have it. You've now signed into Messenger with no Facebook account. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.